Hello. Hi. How are you? Alphabets in sign language. Alphabets in sign language. A. Letter A, like that. A. With your thumb. A. B. Letter B. 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 Letter C. 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 D. Letter D. Be straight. Letter D. Yeah, letter D. E. Letter E. Make sure they are folded. Letter E. Yeah, like that. Letter E. E. S. Letter S. I'll show this and the letter F. G. Letter G. I'll show the curve. Letter G. H. Letter H. See? H. H. I. Letter I. Yeah, with the small finger. Letter I. J. Letter J. With using letter I, draw J. A small index finger, draw J. J. The index, the small finger. Using the small finger, draw J. I. J. 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 The K. Yeah, the K. Like that. What show? The K. K. L. Letter L. Up show the curve. Letter L. The M. M. Like that. You do like M. 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 N. N. See, two fingers. The first and the second. The index finger and the big finger. N. And then what is N. N. O. You have to show the have to be circular. O. O. P. Letter K invert. P. P. Q. Q. Letter G we invert downwards. Q. Q. R. 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 Yeah. Cross the index like that. R. S. S. Letter S has two signs. You can say S or S. Just cross your fist like that, or draw letter S crossing your fist. S. S or S. T. U. 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 V. Letter V. V. W. 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 That. W. X. Using your index finger, U. Yeah. X. 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 Y. Y. Using your thumb and your small finger. Y. Y. Then using your index finger, Z. Z. Draw the letter Z using your index finger. Z. Z. Bye.